Hi all once again to the channel. This is a problem from 1995 PUTNAM. This is a B5 problem of PUTNAM. Now we are going to solve this and we can say that it's a infinite continued fraction. It is very easy to recognize those who have studied some kind of number theory. So in order to solve this problem, let's suppose that 2207 plus 1 over 2207, sorry, it's minus 1 over 2207 and so on is equal to x to the power 8. We just carried out forward this x to the power 8. Fine. So now it's easy to recognize that 2207 minus, like, we can suppose this whole term, this whole term, this whole term, this whole as x to the power 8 itself, as this whole term is x to the power 8, this whole term is x to the power 8, so this whole term could be x to the power 8. Then we can write that x to the power 8 is equal to x to the power 8, and x to the power 8 plus 1 over x to the power 8 is equal to 2207. Fine. Now we can add 1 over x to the power 8, 2 on both the sides, 2207 plus 2. Now it becomes x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 whole square, which becomes square of 47. Now x to the power 4 plus 1 over x to the power 4 plus 2 and 47 plus 2, and again we get that x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 7, isn't it? Now x plus 1 over x is equal to, suppose, it becomes 3. Now it's a simple quadratic equation. I may solve it here. X square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can just apply the quadratic formula, which is 3 plus minus under root 9 minus 4 over 2 means 3 plus minus root 5 by 2. So this is equal to the value of x. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.